Another Star Wars Galaxy's Edge update here in the next episode of D3. What's up, everyone? Welcome to this episode of D3. In this episode, I'm going to give you another update on the construction on Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Let's go. So I'd like to thank you guys for your continued support of this channel. If you like what you see, remember to hit that subscribe button below and become a member of this D3 family. This is part 4 of my Star Wars Galaxy's Edge update, construction update I should say. First, I'm going to give you a unique perspective from Big Thunder Mountain Railroad from the second lift. It's a beautiful view of the construction from over there. Next, I'm going to continue on from the view from the Tarzan Treehouse, the view from over there. Then I'm going to continue on, jump on the Mark Twain riverboat, give you an updated view, panoramic shot from the construction from the top of the top deck. Then I'm going to run over to Toontown, give you a perspective from the Chip and Dale Treehouse. Then I'm going to finish it off by giving you guys a perspective from the Hungry Bear Restaurant Terrace. Let's go check all those views out. Alright folks, this is the view from the second lift of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. You're about to see Star Wars Land in a second. Here it is right here, going to zoom up. See a nice view of Star Wars Land. Looks amazing from this angle. Pretty cool. Alright folks, we are coming up on, we're on the Mark Twain riverboat. We're coming up on the backside of the rivers of America where you see a clear view of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I'm going to zoom in for you. More and more of the scalpings are off. This is awesome. They are moving so fast with this construction. It's amazing. See the cantina right there is almost done. Rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. And the train is about to run in sequence with it. It's going to be pretty cool. In a second, you're going to see it in a second. The train's going to sync up with us. But back to the Star Wars Land, you can see more and more of the views between the trees. You can see the cantina right there. Really cool. Let me get another shot from the other side of the area in a second. And here's the other side of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge over there. You can see more of the cantina and the cargo shed between the trees. See if I can find that for you.
Off to the side of the river is an Indian.
It looks really cool.
And I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace.
And here's one last shot from the rear of the Mark Twain riverboat through the trees, looking at Galaxy's Edge. Still a little construction to go over here. You got scaffolding still up right there, which is pretty awesome. Thankfully, the boats come to a stop for a second, so we get a little bit longer view of this section. All in all, folks, it's going to be really nice area when they're down with it. Alright, folks, so I'm from the top of the Tarzan Treehouse here at Disneyland, looking over towards Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. You can see some of the construction on the far eastern part. Still got some scaffolding up, but it's coming along. And over a little bit towards the middle of the section, and a little bit so you can see more of it. Looks pretty cool. They still got some work to do on this section, this part of the Galaxy's Edge section of the park. Let's go to our next section. The view of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge from the Chip and Dale Treehouse up here. Got a pretty decent shot of the area. Hopefully the sun's not too big of a glare. Try to zoom in real quick, get a closer shot right there. You see the backside of the cantina a little bit. Looks like a little bit more construction to go in this area, but looks like a really good shot. Really good shot. Alright folks, here's a shot of the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge from up top of the terrace here at the Hungry Bear Restaurant. Give you a close-up, you can see the cantina area right there again. A closer shot of the area. Very cool. Pan over towards a little bit to the right, the left, through the trees. Let's see if we get another better shot from a different angle up here. Maybe get a shot of the freight ship over there. Folks, there you have it. This concludes another episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you like all the videos you've seen so far. And also remember to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter at Damien Does Disney. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.